Guys, so I found something fun I wanted to be able to play with here next week. So I'm going to go ahead and do a tutorial video so I can upload it for you all to watch. So this is Jamboard. Right now I don't have a title on it, but if you look up here, it says Untitled Jam. That's where the title would be. Okay, and I'll have one that I'll share to you. I'm going to make the screen black because I think it shows up a lot better right now. Okay, so let's say I put out the question, click on the text box to put that. How was your Wednesday? Which I know that looks so pretty right now. How was your Wednesday? And I might want to put a question mark, huh? Maybe. Okay, how was your Wednesday? Now, when I share the link to you and you can get into it, you're going to come over and click Sticky Note. And I will say, no practices, but had to clean the house. Okay? Up here, you can choose your color you want. Yellow, green, blue, pink, orange, or none. Always do a color so I can see it. We'll do this one pink. Click Save, then cancel to get off the sticky note. Now, if you notice, it put it right over the question. Well, since the goal is to have all the people in the class doing this, we don't want it up there on the question. Now, if you look and you're like, I really can't see what I wrote, make it a little bit bigger. Okay? So eventually what you'll have is people commenting different things on this, and then we have more of a better understanding of things. This was just a generic question. It could be, what is a scientific method? And as people start to post, you start thinking of different ways, and their idea gave you another idea and all of that, so we can branch off of there. You can add pictures, you can add shapes, okay, laser pointer, okay. All of that is super easy to do, and this is another interactive way for us to get together. So that is a quick tutorial, just so you know what it looks like, and we'll get started using it.